And that's the R34 just left. I just missed it actually. Good shame. And then won something high there as well. Oh. Ah. Someone's doing some trick. Oh, nice. Let's go. Is she gonna send it? Much sending is happening here. They went flying actually there, I noticed. Well, Lotus is leaving as well. As you can see, there's the Aventador coming back in for round 2. Flying out now. Off he goes. Oh, a few crop packles and bangs as well. Here he comes. Don't think he's going to be doing any noise. Oh, looks like the Audi R8 is leaving next. He is. Not much from then though. Nice little Challenger just pulled up as well. Luckily for this Challenger, he's only got a straight line to go into. Nice little Mini leaving, Mini 850. Well, this should be a good one. He's going to send it. As you can see, we're also filming with Adam C as well. Think he'll send it? I don't think he will. Ready for the Mach 1. Fiesta ST is going to send it as well. Sounds like popcorn in a microwave. Mustang is leaving, Mustang number 1. ST Mondeo. Adam is very excited for his Cobra. Chevy truck. Seems like all the American cars are leaving. What a racket. Oh, Porsche 944. The Mustang is ready. You can hear that V8 purr. See what he does. The answer is nothing. The definition of anticlimax. Here's a Beetle with a tinsel.
We've got more 2SC versus 1.
Off he goes, and the Clio's going to send it. Oh my! And he's gone absolutely flying. Straight into the traffic lights as well.
No, my video camera stopped.
I luckily managed to get that, should I say.
Right, there's just been a crash. My video camera stopped filming.
Let's go over and inspect the damage. As you can see, the crowd is heading over to the hot rod that's gone flying. That has not gone well for him.
Did anyone get them?
Update, he's had an inspection. It's gone through a out-of-house MOT and it's working.
I think they're just moving it. They're not going to drive it.
Oh, let's just go through his car and not get run over. But I mean, yeah, moving it to the side. Ah, what a shame. What a shame, such a beautiful car as well. He's struggling. Something's bent. You can see trying to turn the wheel and it's just going straight. Lower control arm's bent or something. I don't know what's happened though. He can't even steer it, it's completely gone. He can only go straight like a true American car.
He's driving it back home. Oh my god, look at the wheel wobble. I can't do that.
Here's a bit of debris from said car. And there is a car that had a dent in it apparently. From the bollard, you can see it on the video. What an interesting turn of events to today. Be careful. Don't be a knobhead in the wet. Oh, nice little turbo from an MX-5. He's going to find the drag car that stopped down there apparently. Well, there's the Cobra. Just coming to the end of the meet now. Low oil diesel dust is going to send it. Yep, there you go.
It's meant to do it, I promise.
It's also meant to be black when it comes out of it, but never mind. Oh. Lovely Supra taking it steady. I don't blame him at all.